So tell me, how do you like the collection?
Very good, really, really nice. I love the stuff. Very
Some of
nice.
the pieces are very, very pretty. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Very wearable.
So what do you think? Is there anything else here that you can wear to work?
Yeah, some of the rings. I mean, some of
probably
the,
no rings, kind of bracelets, probably. Yeah. Not for work. None of them for work.
yeah.
None of them.
None
None
of
of
them for work.
Why is it? It's very expensive.
No,
Too
it's
flashy.
Yeah.
Too flashy, isn't it?
No, they're very
Like
pretty
big.
and big. Yeah, because the trend is such.
But then that's what Farah wants. I think that's what Farah. We were just talking, and Farah said that's
Yeah,
what
but
she
I guess in Bombay people would carry it off for work. In Calcutta, I don't think the working culture is such. So I guess that's the difference. I mean, in Bombay, a person would carry it off to work. I don't think in Calcutta.
we work harder.
No, slightly low
Laid
profile.
Yeah, we like to keep it simple. What are you guys picking up tonight?
Probably a pair of earrings. Haven't decided yet, but probably.
Haven't decided,
Yeah.
you're looking.
Yeah, I probably pick up a bracelet or something. Not really decided. Still having a look at it.
But then there's certainly brands that you like.
Well, there are brands that I like, but I try to buy the stuff that not everyone else buys, because, like I said, I want people to notice something I'm wearing, but at the same time, I don't want them to say, they're not going to compliment me. They see 10 people wearing the same thing.
What's the worst pickup line?
Well, it happened in an aircraft. Someone asked me, "Are you friendly or do you bite?"
See,
I
told you.
I wanted to tell him, looking at you, I don't even want to touch you.
I'd probably. Okay, tell me the best pickup line you've heard. Pen, paper, wait, karo.
Well, best pickup line I've heard. I don't know about the best pickup line I've heard, but I've had the best pickup line because I picked up my husband. Akhil, I remember years ago, Akhil was DJing and I was high on life and I was dancing and I was just like non-inhibited person. I still am actually. And I just went up to him and I said, "Hey, you're really cute, you know." And Akhil at that point started blushing. He became all pink and then he became red. And he looked at me and he said, he just couldn't say anything. And I said, "But that's all I want to say to you," because I realized I had scared him a bit. I said, "Anyway, bye, I'm leaving." And believe me, I never thought I'd see him again. And I left. And that was the end.
And then how did you meet him again?
Well, 3 months later, I bumped into him at the 1900 and I was talking to this guy who I was trying desperately to get rid of, okay? And I saw Akhil pass by. So I was like, "Hi!" And I go up to Akhil and in his ear and I'm like, "Can you do me a favor? Can you come back in 5 minutes and take me? This guy is boring the shit out of me, okay?" And Akhil's like, "Why 5 minutes? Come now."
Amazing.
So I looked at that guy. I said, I met this really long friend of mine who I've known since ages. I have to go, So I left the guy, of course, and then I hooked up with Akhil, and we started
Rest is history.
giving line after line to each other, and the rest is history.
Beautiful, beautiful. I think that's one of the most innovative love stories. Some new age, love story. Yeah, that's great.
Girls pick up the guys these days. The guys are too shy.
I was picked up myself. I'm still seeing her. So that line worked well too. What's your favorite shopping destination?
My favorite shopping destination has to be Italy. I love Italy. It'd have to be Venice in Italy, Rome, Naples. I would say all of Italy is my favorite shopping destination because it's packed. The style is amazing.
So do you buy stuffs in India?
Of course I do, but not so much because when I'm in India, I don't have time to shop because it's always work, family, and socializing. So there's not much time to do.
Farah, what's your favorite perfume brand?
My favorite perfume brand is Jean Paul Gaultier. I just love it. I mean, you have to. It's the shape of a woman's body, and it's fab.
Okay, killer. I think I've seen it, but I don't think I can pronounce the name.
Well, it's written as Jean Paul Gaultier, but
एक तो
it's
बांग्ला मुझे
pronounced
कैसी?
Jean Paul Gaultier.
मुझे क्या चाहिए पर मुझे क्या चाहिए अब समझ में आ गया मुझे. In Farah, if I had to buy something for my girlfriend, what should I go for?
What's your budget?
Can we do this off camera, please? I'll tell you.
Okay, let's go now
Let's go.
since you told me your budget.
Yes, I've told her the budget. She's gonna bring me something. Let's go.
I like this one very much for your girlfriend. Can you open this? Does she like earrings more or does she like...
I think she likes rings.
Okay, we're having
Also, while we look for the rings, tell me something. How did Zevor happen? How did you come to Calcutta?
Well, I didn't know about Zevor, but now I know that it's the first of its kind lounge in Calcutta, and it's this luxury lounge where they have a spa attached to it, as well as a bar, as well as a jewelry store. So I had Indra, this friend of mine, and who works for Zevor. She came up to me and she said, you know, you must do a showing in Calcutta. And I said, I'd love to do a showing in Calcutta, but I didn't want to do it now. And she was very persistent that you have to do it now, you know. So I guess everything just fell into place, and we said, okay, let's do it. Then we're going to do it because I wanted to do one this year. And when she approached me, we came here and we saw the lounge, and it was really beautiful. And I think that's why we.
Killer. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Did you hear that? That should fit, huh? The price tags there, I can't see it. I will finally
We should give you a discount.
I can't see the price. How much is this going to be? The producer is going to pay for this. তোমরা দেখো তোমাদের জন্য প্রোডিউসার অবশ্যই টাকাটা দেবে না আমার জন্য দেবে
We shall give you a discount.
Well, I'm getting probably the 8 discount হয়ে যাবে Thank you very much, Farah. I'm going to get it wrapped later. I don't really know.
You want to see my favorite place, favorite
I want to
piece
see
of
your
jewelry?
favorite piece of jewelry. Actually.
Right now. Okay.
Killer, let's go.
Sam. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you guys.
Pleasure's mine, Farah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, আপনারা কোথাও যাবেন না আমি একটু ফারাকে এগিয়ে দিই We'll come back after the break. Thank you.